Obas, welcome back. You're another episode with Jack the Greek. And look what we have. Chicken, chicken, and chicken. Yes, we have some beautiful drumettes and some beautiful wingettes. And we've got to thank our friends from Preston Free Range Poultry and Game, Betty and Dimitri. They've also given us some beautiful barbecue sauce that we're going to use today and some homemade honey that Dimitri makes at his farm. So with all those ingredients, what do you think we're going to make? We're going to make some beautiful honey glazed barbecue chicken on the Crossroad barbecue with our honey, our barbecue sauce, a little bit of salt and pepper, and our beautiful chicken, of course, provided from our friends at Preston Free Range Poultry and Game. So let's start. You need a bowl to put your chicken in so we can marinate it. So we'll grab it just like that. We'll grab a handful of the drumettes and we'll grab a handful of the wings. That's probably enough for now. And let's just see how much barbecue sauce we need to use. We've got around about 2 kilos there. So we're going to use a beautiful Jack Daniel's barbecue sauce, around 250 grams, and pour all that in just like that. Opas, there you go. Good look at that. So pour all that in. With around 250 grams of barbecue sauce, and it's going to come down to your tasting. I always prefer to use homemade honey. I'm going to put a big tablespoon of honey, just like that. And that's about 5 tablespoons of normal honey. Just like that. I'm going to add my salt. I'm also going to add my pepper. Just like that. Give it a good mix. And what we'll do is we're not going to cook this straight away. We're going to leave it for about 15 minutes to marinate and allow the flavors to start working their way through the chicken. Obas, you're back now. It's been around half an hour since we've had our beautiful chicken, drumettes and wingettes marinating in our sauce. And to recap, what we have here is around 3 kilos of wingettes and drumettes combined. We used about 5 large tablespoons of honey, thanks to our friends at Preston Free Range Poultry and Game. And we also used around 250 grams of barbecue sauce. So let's have a bit of a look at it. Come in close. Opa. There we go. Look at that. It's all ready to go. So let's start putting it in the pan. Now, we've had our Crossroad barbecue on for around 15 minutes now, and it's been sitting at around about close to 350 degrees. What we're going to do is we're going to cook it with all 4 burners on high for around 25 minutes. It shouldn't take any longer than that to cook our beautiful chicken on the top grill, just over here. So let's come back here. We've got our pan. We're going to put a slice of paper just like this at the bottom. And what I'm going to do is just put a little bit of water at the bottom. That's a little Jack the Greek secret. Just to keep the moisture up. Just like that. We don't want it to come to the level of the grill because we don't want it actually going onto our chicken. So let's grab our chicken. Nothing special. Just throw it all in. Just like that. Opa. Look at that. Beautiful. We don't want to create layers and layers of our chicken, because we don't want to actually boil it. We want to make sure that there's enough coverage in the pan, but also enough area is exposed of the meat so they can actually crisp up. So put a couple more, just like that there. Opa, beautiful, beautiful. One more, just here, just like that. The rest we'll keep for another day. So, we've got our chicken, just like this. All it needs now is to be placed straight into the Crossroad barbecue. Here we go, just like that. Obas, welcome back. You're with Jack the Greek. And as you can see, it's been around 35-40 minutes and we're past our daylight saving and it's getting a bit dark. It is a bit chilly tonight and we've got our beautiful outdoor heaters, thanks to Heat Strip and Crossroad Barbecues for supplying them, but keeping us nice and warm on these chilly nights. Now come in close and let's have a look how it's going. Oh, look at our beautiful chicken. Opa, opa, look at this. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Ah, all I can smell is barbecue and honey. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, yes. These are ready. These are ready. Okay, as you can see, you might have noticed it and picked it up. We have a bigger tray. Well, you know those spare ones we had at the start? My beautiful wife said, how about you throw them in as well? So what I had to do is I had to change trays and then move the cooking from the top grill to the bottom grill to make sure that I can fit this tray. So now let's start plating it up. Won't take us long. Want to keep it quite simple. We're not going to use a plate. Just use some paper, just like that. I'm going to complement it today with some beautiful yogurt. And trust me, trust Jack the Greek, yogurt with these beautiful barbecued glazed honey drumettes and wings are fantastic. You'll never go back. So let's put them in like this. Just throw them on a bench. This whole dinner is all designed to make it nice and simple and easy for the kids and the family. Just grab whatever they like off the tray and just nibble. Dip it in the yogurt and then have a chew. Beautiful. Opas. Look at this. And just to recap, we had about 3.5 to 4 kilos at the end of chicken drumettes and drumsticks. We had about 1/2 kilo of honey at the end. We started with around 5 to 6 tablespoons, but because of the extra chicken, we added a bit more honey, and we had about 400 grams at the end of beautiful barbecue sauce. And we've got to thank once again, we've got to thank Betty and Dimitri from Preston Free Range Poultry and Game for supplying our chicken and our barbecue sauce. So that's probably enough. With the rest, we'll put them back for now, and we'll plate them up a little bit later, just like that. And let's not forget a little bit of parsley. And just again, reminding everyone, you've got to use fresh parsley straight from the garden. Opas. Just to bring it a bit closer so we can all see it. Once again, thank you to all my viewers for all your support. I hope you enjoyed tonight's meal. Once again, beautiful wingettes, drumettes with beautiful honey barbecue sauce. And as a dip, it's a beautiful Greek yogurt. Opas.